Hi writers, welcome to Opinion Writing Lesson 11. This lesson is on using all you know to write book reviews. So today I'm going to teach you that review writers write book reviews to recommend titles and authors that they think others should read. You can use all you already know about writing reviews to convince people to agree with your opinion. So let's take a look at all the things that we've learned how to do to convince our reader, write our opinion, give lots of reasons, add details, use sparkly words, and talk back. So I have this and a few more things on this chart that you can use today to start writing book reviews. So from today on, we're going to switch our focus from writing reviews of lots of things, and now we are just going to focus on writing a book review. So let me see if we can think about some of the strategies that we used in review writing and how we could apply them to writing a book review. Okay, take a look at this chart and think about what's something from here that you can do in a book review. Okay, I'm going to slide this over, and I picked a book that I want to review today called I'm Invited to a Party. So I'm going to read it real quick just to refresh your memory so you know what the story's about. And then I'm going to practice taking some of the things that we learned about reviews to write a book review about this book. I Am Invited to a Party by Mo Willems. I am invited to a party. Gerald. Look, look. I'm invited to a party. Cool. It is cool. Will you go with me? I have never been to a party. I will go with you. I know parties. Party, 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 party. Wait. What if it is a fancy party? We must be ready. Really? I know parties. He knows parties. Zip. Zip. Zap. Zip. Is this fancy? Very fancy. Party, 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 party. Wait. What if it is a pool party? A fancy pool party? We must be ready. I know parties. He knows parties. Zip. Zap. Zap. Zip. How is this? We will make a splash. Party, 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 party. Wait. What if it is a costume party? A fancy pool costume party? We must be ready. Zip. He had better know parties. Zap. Zap. Zip. Now can we go to the party? Yes, now we are ready. Well, that is a surprise. You do know parties. Party, party, party. Okay, so now you got to hear this book, and now I'm going to see if I can use some of the strategies that we've learned to write and plan a book review. So I think just like in regular review writing, the first thing I need to do is tell my reader what I'm writing about, right? Okay, so I might say something about the book. I should probably tell the title because I need to include important information. So let's do that. I am invited to a party is a very funny book. Okay, so I told what I'm reviewing and I told my opinion about it. Now, just like in regular review writing, I need to give some reasons and details why I think it's so funny. So let me think back into the story. One reason I thought it was funny is because they keep changing their outfits and they're wearing crazy outfits. So I'm going to add that. Elephant and Piggy can't decide what to wear to a party. They keep changing into crazy outfits. Okay, so I told a reason and a detail about why I think it's funny. Now let me look back at my chart and think, what else could I do to help convince my reader? I might tell a little story about one time when my class read this book. One time I read this to my class and they laughed hysterically at every page. Okay, now I have a little story. So I have one reason, one story. I think I need at least one more reason why I think my reader should read this book. Let me look back. One reason I love this book is because the pictures and the expressions on the characters' faces are very detailed. So let's add that. Another reason this book is great is it has detailed illustrations. Piggy and Gerald have great expressions on their faces. Okay, so now I have at least two reasons plus a little story. I think I'm ready to say goodbye, and I can do that by giving my reader a tip or telling them to do something, just like we did in our regular review writing. So I'm going to say, if you are looking for a funny book, check out I Am Invited to a Party by Mo Willems. Okay, I told my reader to do something and I ended my review. Okay, so today for your writing, you guys, I want you to pick a book that you have read in your independent reading and write a review using everything that you learned about review writing. Now you're going to use it to just write a review about a book. You can pause this video if you want and leave this chart up so that you can see all the strategies that you want to use for writing a book review. All right, I'll see you for our next writing lesson. Keep working hard.